subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to save a web page in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Navigate to the web page you want to save. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse on More Tools. Click on Save Page As. Choose to save the web page as Web Page Complete to download the page and all of its images and files. Select Web Page HTML to download the file in HTML format. Select Web Page Single File to download the file in mhtml format. Choose the location where you want to save the web page. Click on Save. This is how you can save a web page in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.